welcome back to my channel. NateVlog here, Groovy Vibes. Today we are going to talk about probiotics, and probiotics is what I take every single day. This is my breakfast right here, and yeah, of course we're gonna chug it. But before we do that, let's get into talking about why do I take this? It's because my mom told me to, and when she tells me, I'm like, yeah, okay. But this goes way before nowadays. This goes back when, of course, I had COVID, right? And the worst COVID, #1 COVID, 3 years ago. That's actually coming up to the anniversary of that. Wow, that's ridiculous. Yeah, 3 years ago. Now, what this did for me is, well, first off, I couldn't eat anything, right? Anything I put in my stomach, I go, ugh. Any medication I put in, ugh, right? So this would help coat my stomach. It's pretty much like milk, but better than milk. This here makes you feel better. So it's actually bacteria. This is good bacteria going into your system to get rid of the bad bacteria. It coats your stomach as well, so I'm able to take my medicine with this, right, back then. So that's why I took this. Oh wait, it's starting to get warm now. Maybe I should just chug this real fast and then we'll get back into telling you why. Okay, so let's get it. It's good. Okay, in a video. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, hold on. Let's get that. Here we go. Cheers, everyone. Very easy. And that was very vanilla. Doesn't taste bad at all. So anyways, the benefits of probiotics. So, it gives you energy. So very good for the morning, right? Helps you digest, makes you feel better when you're sick. When you're done taking antibiotics, you need those good probiotics into your system, because the antibiotic just gets rid of everything and helps your body, right? Heals whatever. So you need the probiotics back into your system, and there you go. So it helps with IBS, which is part of your stomach, and you got stomach problems like constipation, and lets you just go all out. There you go, right? So I don't have that problem. Of course, older people, that's why they take probiotics as well. But for me, the benefits is weight loss. Apparently it helps acne, but actually I do see a change, so maybe that is the thing. I've been taking this recently since I got back, right, from Philippines and Thailand. Every day I started taking it, and then I got into my vitamins, and then back to normal schedule. So yeah, so back to this. So weight loss, acne, digestion, energy, just makes your body stronger. Like seriously, it fights against other sicknesses, which is the stronger immunity, your immune system, right? You got to build that up to fight against all these bacterias and viruses nowadays. We know 2023, what the hell's gonna happen next, right? Jeez, 3 years of this, and yeah, ridiculous. Anyways, so also inflammation. So you have like your body flaming up, like tightness, and just feeling so sore. So what this does, like I said, right, just coats your body. It just goes, ooh, I feel good, right? Now I don't have that nausea feeling, right? Nausea. I don't feel I mean, of course I'm still hungry, but you know, at least it's breakfast, right? It helps you throughout the day until you're ready to eat. So, you know, of course before this I would be like, oh my god, I'm so hungry, I got nausea. I've been having a lot of heartburn recently, which is acid reflux, and I'm just like, oh, so much pain, right? You see me hitting my chest there. Once I take this, my body's like, oh, there we go, we got something in our system finally. The situation is brain fog. So, of course, when you wake up, you're like, where am I, right? Or with the big C, the big C19. That also, which I did have that feeling. I just feel so confused, right? And apparently it's supposed to shoot up to your brain or whatever, probiotics, right? And just supposed to turn on your mind. So just so many benefits, and it comes in a big case. It is a little expensive, maybe like, actually you can get it at Walmart for like 20 bucks. And yeah. I just highly recommend it. So go ahead, if you don't dig breakfast like me, do this instead. Alright, so builds up your vitamins, proteins, and your immune system. Okay, vitamin C and D, super important. And what I want to know is, does this contain milk at all? Because of course you know that I'm allergic to milk, but I still do it anyways. So that's what I always wonder. Does this contain milk? And you know what? I don't think so. I don't think it actually does. Yeah, lucky me. Oh, it has zinc, iron, and selenium? Just sounds like a perfect drink for me. Alright, sponsor me. Who's this made by? Nestle. Alright, Nestle, that's a big company. They can surely help my travels, right? Yeah, come on. Boost, let's get it. Nestle, come on. Alright, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you're interested in more videos like this, let me know in the comments. And if you're gonna go pick yourself up some probiotics, we'll go for it. Alright, this was a different video about health, and you know, I was just like, let's just yeah, let's talk about something I actually do every single day, every morning, right? Alright, we'll see you. Like and subscribe. NateVlog here, signing out. Hit up my PayPal description below, because I want to get out of here. I want to go back to the Philippines. Okay, we'll see ya. Bye bye. So long. Happy New Year.